Wildfire roof sprinklers, a smart shield against the flames. With wildfires becoming more common and intense, protecting your home now requires smarter, more proactive solutions, and that's exactly what Wildfire roof sprinklers deliver. This innovative system is designed to create a protective curtain of water, not just over your roof, but in a full 9-meter radius around your house. That means when embers or flames approach, they're met with a wall of water before they can do any damage. What makes this system even more impressive is its ability to stay effective even in strong winds, the same winds that often drive wildfires further and faster. Thanks to precise engineering, water is directed exactly where it's needed most. And visually, you'd hardly know it's there. The system blends seamlessly into your roofline without bulky attachments or unsightly pipes. Installation takes just a few days, turning your home into a ready-to-go fire defense system. If you live in a wildfire-prone area, this isn't just a smart upgrade, it's peace of mind. And the company even offers free support to help you get started. Roll-o-matic roofs, open up to the sky. Imagine a roof that changes with the seasons and your mood. That's exactly what roll-o-matic sliding roof systems offer. These smart, retractable roofs transform your living space by connecting you to the outdoors in a truly effortless way. In the winter, they act like cozy greenhouses, keeping the warmth in while letting in beautiful natural light. In the summer, they slide open to invite in fresh air and natural ventilation, helping you cut down on air conditioning costs while staying cool. You can wake up gently with the morning sun or unwind in the soft glow of twilight, all without leaving your home. In a world where most of us spend too much time indoors, Roll-o-matic gives you the freedom to enjoy the open sky whenever you like. It's more than just a roof. It's a lifestyle upgrade that adds wellness, beauty, and flexibility to your everyday routine. So if you're looking to breathe a little more life into your space, this is definitely a feature worth exploring and liking. Vexo Solar Guard Pro. Keep your solar panels safe and clean. Birds and rodents might love nesting under solar panels, but their presence can lead to serious problems: chewed wires, messy droppings, and costly repairs. That's where the Vexo Solar Guard Pro Kit comes in. Designed specifically to protect your rooftop solar setup, this barrier is made of PVC-coated stainless steel mesh that's built to last in all weather conditions. Installation is simple and hassle-free, no drilling or screwing required, so your panels remain undamaged and your roof stays intact. Once it's in place, the mesh acts like a shield, blocking animals from accessing the underside of your panels. This not only prevents wire damage but also stops debris and droppings from accumulating, helping you avoid unexpected maintenance and keeping your system running efficiently. Whether you're a homeowner or manage commercial solar setups, the Vexo Solar Guard Pro is a smart investment for long-term performance and peace of mind. Sanelix. Imagine turning your rooftop into your very own luxury spa. That's exactly what Sanelix offers, an innovative system that combines a pool and a hot tub in one sleek setup. Whether you want to soak in warm, bubbling water after a long day or indulge in a spa-style massage under the open sky, Sanelix has you covered. The system includes options like aromatherapy, a hydro-massage waterfall, built-in speakers, and even a wave therapy zone. It's more than just a hot tub. It's a full sensory experience designed to melt stress away and recharge your mind and body. Even the heat generated during the treatments is cleverly reused to warm the water, making the entire setup energy efficient. Built for rooftops, Sanelix systems are tailored to each client's space and preferences. Whether you're in a city penthouse or a private home, this spa turns your roof into a peaceful retreat. It's wellness, comfort, and modern design all rolled into one spectacular feature. Jellyfish lighting. Year-round magic at the tap of a button. If you're tired of climbing ladders every year to hang up holiday lights, and even more tired of taking them down, Jellyfish lighting is here to transform your home into a showstopper, permanently. This sleek lighting system installs along the roofline and blends right into your home's exterior, remaining virtually invisible during the day. But at night, it comes alive. With over 16 million colors and a huge range of preset animations and lighting effects, you can instantly shift from cozy ambiance to party mode. Control everything easily through your smartphone app, where you can choose from seasonal presets or create your own light show for any event or mood. Whether it's Christmas, Halloween, game day, or just a regular Tuesday, you're always ready to light things up. It's also perfect for security lighting or accenting your home's architecture. The system costs around $100 per meter, plus about $650 for the power hub. But that's a one-time upgrade for a lifetime of dazzling displays without the hassle. It's smart, beautiful, and totally effortless. Aquarius blinds, smart shade for smart living. If natural light fills your home through skylights, glass roofs, or large windows, but sometimes a little too much of it, Aquarius blinds has the perfect solution. Their electric blinds and awnings are designed to give you precise control over light and shade with just a touch on your smartphone. Whether you're outfitting a residential loft, a conservatory, or a commercial atrium, these blinds and awnings can be custom built to fit spaces as large as 6.8 by 13 meters. You can choose from stylish and durable fabrics designed for sun protection or full shading, as well as a variety of materials for your blinds, including aluminum, wood, and more. The best part? These systems are fully compatible with popular smart home platforms, allowing you to sync them with your daily routines, automatically closing during peak sun or opening gently in the morning. It's not just about blocking light, it's about creating a balanced, comfortable, and energy-efficient environment with a touch of elegance. Skywash. Skywash Roof Cleaner. Cleaning your roof just got a major upgrade thanks to Skywash, a smart, effective roof cleaning system that doesn't require climbing ladders or hiring expensive services. This pole-based system extends up to 11.5 meters, allowing you to reach most rooftops safely from the ground. Skywash uses hot water up to 70 degrees Celsius to wash away dirt, moss, mold, and other grime that builds up over time. A built-in pressure regulator ensures the spray is gentle on your roofing material while still being powerful enough to get the job done. It's perfect for regular maintenance without the risk of damage. Whether your home has shingles, tiles, or metal roofing, Skywash adapts easily. It's especially helpful in areas with heavy rainfall, tree cover, or long winters where grime buildup is common. Priced at $1,959, it may seem like a splurge, but it quickly pays for itself by protecting your roof's longevity and curb appeal. Clean roof, clean conscience, Skywash does both. Aquarius blinds, smart shade for smart living. If natural light fills your home through skylights, glass roofs, or large windows, but sometimes a little too much of it, Aquarius blinds has the perfect solution. Their electric blinds and awnings are designed to give you precise control over light and shade with just a touch on your smartphone. Whether you're outfitting a residential loft, a conservatory, or a commercial atrium, these blinds and awnings can be custom built to fit spaces as large as 6.8 by 13 meters. You can choose from stylish and durable fabrics designed for sun protection or full shading, as well as a variety of materials for your blinds, including aluminum, wood, and more. The best part? These systems are fully compatible with popular smart home platforms, allowing you to sync them with your daily routines, automatically closing during peak sun or opening gently in the morning. It's not just about blocking light, it's about creating a balanced, comfortable, and energy-efficient environment with a touch of elegance. Ridge Glaze Roof Lights. Let the sunshine in, and look good doing it. When it comes to bringing in natural light in a stylish and energy-efficient way, Ridge Glaze Roof Lights really know how to make a statement, both architecturally and functionally. Their work has been featured in major projects, from modern schools to historic buildings. One impressive example is the installation of 850 roof light units on a school rooftop, all timed to be completed before students returned from summer break. Another remarkable feat? Transforming an 18th-century prison into a museum-hotel hybrid by installing 214 contemporary roof lights. These are not your average skylights. They're carefully engineered for maximum light distribution, thermal performance, and structural integrity. Whether you're renovating a historical landmark or just want to brighten up your home with daylight and stars, Ridge Glaze has options that blend seamlessly with your design. Plus, their roof lights are built to last, with strong weather resistance and sleek finishes. It's a brilliant way to add elegance, efficiency, and natural ambiance to any space, whether you're topping off a penthouse or a classroom. Rainy. turning rain into revenue and clean water. While many see rain as just a nuisance, others, like Richard's Rainwater company, see it as a business opportunity. That company collects, purifies, and sells rainwater at around $17 for a 12-pack of cans. But here's the good news. You can start collecting and purifying rainwater too, right from your rooftop, and at a fraction of the cost. With rainwater filter systems starting at just $50, it's easier than ever to take advantage of nature's free resource. These filters come in different capacities, with some models able to process between 120 and 480 liters per minute. They're designed for roofs up to 120 square meters and can handle rainfall of up to 75 millimeters per hour. Thanks to 250-micron stainless steel mesh cells, these systems offer over 90% cleaning efficiency. Whether you're using rainwater for irrigation, cleaning, or even safe drinking, with further treatment, it's a practical and eco-friendly way to harness the weather, and maybe even turn it into a side hustle. Top Leaf Farms, turning rooftops into salad bowls. Call us when you want to eat your roof, say the folks at Top Leaf Farms, and no, they're not suggesting you chew on shingles. Instead, they're talking about something way more delicious. Rooftop gardens that grow real, fresh food right above your head. Specializing in urban farming, Top Leaf Farms has found a smart way to turn unused rooftop space into lush gardens packed with lettuce, herbs, and other leafy greens. It's a win-win-win for city living. First, you get incredibly fresh, locally grown produce, often harvested just minutes before hitting your plate. Second, the greenery acts as a natural insulator, helping to keep your building cooler and reducing energy costs. And third, all those plants improve air quality, making your urban environment a little more breathable. So far, Top Leaf Farms has transformed over 1,100 square meters of rooftops into vibrant edible landscapes. Wouldn't it be amazing to step outside your top floor door and pick your own salad? With ideas like this, the future of farming is looking up, literally. Dev pools, custom fiberglass pools, anywhere you want one. Whether you dream of relaxing in a private rooftop oasis or installing a durable swimming pool at a school or resort, Dev Pools brings your vision to life with style and precision. As one of India's leading fiberglass pool manufacturers, Dev Pools has made a name for itself globally by offering customized solutions that match both your space and your lifestyle. You can choose from a wide range of sizes and shapes, including sleek pools up to 12 meters in length. Want a stronger water current for laps or fun? Add a 2-horsepower pump for a continuous flow. These pools aren't just beautiful, they're engineered for performance, requiring minimal maintenance while offering maximum durability. Fiberglass also helps the pools stay smooth and safe, with resistance to algae buildup and cracking. Whether you're after a serene retreat, a splash zone for the kids, or a statement piece for your rooftop, Dev Pools delivers both quality and elegance. It's your pool, your way, and they'll make sure it's perfect, from the first splash to years of enjoyment. Quiet Cool Attic Fan. Let your home breathe again. The Quiet Cool Attic Fan isn't just a fan, it's a game changer for your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Designed to quietly and powerfully ventilate your attic, it turns that often overlooked space into your home's secret weapon for fresher, cooler air. By pulling out hot, trapped air and drawing in cooler outdoor air, it helps your entire house stay more comfortable, naturally. Compared to traditional ventilation systems, Quiet Cool moves up to twice as much air and uses 10 times less energy. That means not only a cooler home, but also serious savings, up to 30% off your air conditioning bill. It's smart too. Equipped with a thermostat and hygrometer, it automatically adjusts to maintain the ideal indoor climate. And with smartphone control, you can set your preferences with just a tap. Whether you're dealing with summer heat or simply want better airflow, this system quietly gets the job done, keeping your house cooler, your air fresher, and your costs lower. It's comfort, made smart. Sempergreen. Sempergreen Green Roof Systems. Sempergreen isn't just about making roofs pretty, it's about transforming them into eco-friendly powerhouses. Their green roof systems turn both flat and pitched rooftops into vibrant, living landscapes that offer big benefits for your home and the planet. By adding vegetation to your rooftop, you reduce the heat inside your building, lower your cooling costs, and extend the lifespan of your roof by shielding it from harsh weather. Sempergreen solutions also help absorb rainwater, reduce runoff, and purify the air around your home, all while creating a peaceful, green space above your head. The best part? According to the company, your investment can pay for itself in as little as 8 years thanks to energy savings and increased property value. Plus, these green roofs require minimal maintenance and are designed to withstand a variety of climates. Whether you want a lush garden on your urban apartment or a sustainable solution for your office building, Sempergreen makes it easy to green up your roof and your lifestyle. Ember Guard, a sprinkler that thinks ahead. Fires don't always start with flames, sometimes it's the embers that do the damage. That's where the Ember Guard ESG1 sprinkler system comes in. While it's not a full fire suppression solution, it plays a vital supporting role by neutralizing airborne embers before they can ignite dry materials around your home. Designed with both safety and practicality in mind, this sprinkler doesn't just help protect your house during wildfire season. It doubles as a summer water play system for kids and an efficient lawn sprinkler. Its light rain effect can cover an area up to 12.5 meters wide, providing coverage without drenching your surroundings. Setup is easy, and operation is even easier. It connects to your garden hose and can be positioned around your roof or yard as needed. Whether you're living in a fire-prone area or just want to add a layer of smart protection and convenience, Ember Guard is a reliable, multi-use system that brings peace of mind with every gentle shower. Perrin's fiber optic sunlight system. What if you could bring real sunlight into the darkest rooms of your house, without windows? That's exactly what Perrin's does with its groundbreaking fiber optic sunlight system. This clever technology captures natural sunlight from outside using rooftop solar panels, then channels it through fiber optic cables directly into your interior spaces. One Perrin's unit can light up an area of 185 square meters with about 150 lux. Enough brightness for places like hallways, bathrooms, offices, or any room that doesn't get enough daylight. And since it uses actual sunlight, you're getting a warm, natural glow, not artificial light. There's even a built-in filter that blocks out infrared and UV rays, so you get all the benefits of sunshine without the heat or skin-damaging effects. The result? Lower electricity bills, improved mood, and a healthier indoor environment. If you're looking for an energy-efficient lighting solution that brings the outdoors inside, the Perrin system is an innovative and stylish way to light up your space, naturally. Brivis Premina Evaporative Cooler. If you live in a hot, dry climate, the Brivis Premina is your rooftop's new best friend. This evaporative cooling system delivers cool, fresh air throughout your home without using traditional air conditioning methods like compressors or harmful chemicals. Here's how it works. Hot outside air is drawn in and passed through moist filter pads, which naturally cool the air through evaporation before sending it into your home. The hotter it is outside, the better the system works, making it perfect for desert and summer-heavy regions. Not only does it keep your home cooler, but it also helps maintain a comfortable humidity level indoors. The Premina's low-profile design blends seamlessly onto your roof, and the quiet fan makes it easy to forget it's even running. Best of all, it's eco-friendly and budget-friendly, using a fraction of the energy of traditional cooling systems. Stay cool, save money, and shrink your carbon footprint, all with one sleek system. Yellow-Blue Solar Attic Fan. Smart ventilation powered by the sun. The Yellow-Blue Solar Attic Fan is a solar-powered ventilation system that helps you keep your attic cool and your energy bills down. This eco-friendly unit works without any electricity. It harnesses the sun to ventilate your attic, making it a smart addition to any home. One major benefit is that it reduces the workload on your air conditioner, which leads to noticeable savings on electricity bills. It also eliminates hot air buildup in your attic, which can warp roofing materials and damage stored items. Proper airflow helps regulate attic temperature, reducing the risk of mold, rot, or heat-related damage. Built with no plastic parts and available for both flat and pitched roofs, this fan is inspired by jet engine efficiency. The 20-watt version can move up to 25 cubic meters of air per minute, making it a powerful solution for attic ventilation. Clean, quiet, and maintenance-free, it's solar smarts at their best.